Well, class, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I want to share with you some further information about Web Conference 6. And in this presentation or assignment, you will be given presentations back to me. So let's look at some of the assignment requirements. The first one is to choose an article from the Wall Street Journal. And you might be asking, well, how can I get articles from the Wall Street Journal? And I'll show you an easy way to do that through the PCC's library, online library, and you can do it very, very quickly. So we'll take a look at that in just a minute. And about the article, I'd like you to carefully think about which article you select. Make sure it's an article that relates to class in some way or that you find interesting in some way. Please don't select very short 2 to 3 paragraph articles. I'd like it to be a fairly in-depth article that you can read and comment and discuss a little bit. So number 2 is I want you to prepare a 2-minute presentation that summarizes the article. And 3, your presentation should have an introduction where you introduce the headline, maybe the date that the article was published. And then in the body, you'll want to talk about and summarize the article, what you found interesting, how it relates to class, what the author discusses in the article. And then at the end, include some kind of a summary. Summarize your main points, the main points of the article. So number 4, use at least 2 visual aids, most likely PowerPoint, such as I'm doing here. And you can upload those PowerPoint files to the Collaborate session and use those visual aids to help you communicate your message in the presentation. And then number 5, and this is really important. Number 5 says to remember to click microphone and record button when you're ready to start your recording. So when you have your PowerPoints uploaded and you're ready to go, make sure you click the microphone button and the record button in Collaborate so that I can hear you, number 1, and then also so I can go back and watch the recording later to assign a proper grade. So next, let's take a look at how you can access the Wall Street Journal database from the library. All right, so a very easy way to get articles from the Wall Street Journal is to use the Wall Street Journal database to PCC's library. Now I've created a very quick link here on our course homepage right here that you can use to access this database from wherever you are at. So simply by clicking this link here, it'll take me to the library and specifically to the Wall Street Journal database in the library. And then from here, I could type in some search terms. Maybe I want to get an article about Columbia Sportswear. So I'll type in Columbia Sportswear, and let's just see what comes up. Okay, so here are lots of different articles related to Columbia Sportswear. And what I would encourage you to do is to find an article that's relatively recent. As we can see here, a lot of these articles go back to 1999, 2000. Maybe put in some other search parameters so you get some more recent articles. For example, here's one from 2015, which could be useful. All right, so again, that's a very easy way to access Wall Street Journal articles is to use this link on our course homepage.